Correctly creating an invoice in Netsuite is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, go to Transactions, select Sales and click on Create Invoices. Fill in the header information. The system will typically auto-generate the invoice number, but you can modify it if needed. Select the customer from the drop-down menu. This will populate the customer's address information. Choose the appropriate currency for the transaction. Enter the transaction date. You can optionally select a terms profile that defines your payment due dates and other terms. The billing schedule subtab allows you to set up a recurring billing schedule if applicable. In the items sublist, click Add. Select the item you want to invoice from the item field. Then, enter the desired quantity. Enter the rate. You can add a brief description from the item. Click Add again to add more items or click Save if you're finished. Click Save to create the invoice. It will typically be in an open status. You can edit most invoice details before finalizing it.